Yo, what's up everybody? In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can log in into your ADP workforce account. Now, before I show you the way, for those people who do not know ADP is a payroll management company. So if you basically have a company which you have like more than 50 employees in it, then you can use ADP in order to manage payroll, which means payment of your employee, and like the work in and work out, which means like when your employee comes to work, when your employee goes out of work, it's going to calculate how much hour they work, and other facilities are also provided with that. So that's just like a short description of it. If you want to know more about it, you can visit the official website of ADP to know all its facilities. Today's video is on how you guys can log in into it, so I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can do that. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel, want to step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. Let's move on. First step, you want to search for ADP Workforce. Once you search for ADP Workforce, you can see ADP Workforce over here. Click on it, and it's going to bring you to this website, which is the official website of ADP Workforce. Over here, if you want the website to remember your user ID, you can tick mark this. And basically, whenever you open ADP's website, your username is automatically going to be entered. You just need to enter your password in order to log in into your account, right? So I'm going to enter my user ID over here. And click on next. If you forgot to user ID, you can always click on forgot to user ID in order to recover it. On the next step, it's going to ask you for the password. You can enter the password of your account over here and click on sign in. And if the user ID and password you entered over here is correct, you should be able to log in into your ADP Workforce account. So that's how you guys can log in into your ADP Workforce account. If you found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. One to step. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.